Hello kids, today we will learn some birds' name. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is peacock. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's kingfisher. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's parrot. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is swan. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's penguin. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is eagle. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's crow. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's pigeon. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's ostrich. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is hummingbird. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's owl. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's woodpecker. Do you know what is this? Yes, it is flamingo. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's crane. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's cuckoo.